Hi, I want to congratulate you on the purchase of your Philips Airfryer and welcome you to the Philips family. Just consider me your personal Philips guide. I will help you get set up and ready to go. First, remove all packaging materials and wash the basket clean with warm soapy water or clean all your parts in your dishwasher. Then, just wipe down the outside and the inside of your air fryer with a moist cloth. In the box, you will also find an instruction manual and a leaflet. Now let's get started. First, open the drawer and remove the basket. Then push the clear guard forward and press the grey button here to lift the basket. Now place your ingredients into the basket, but make sure they don't go over the max fill line. Then place the basket back into the drawer. Now slide the drawer back into the air fryer. Now all you have to do is set the temperature and time settings using the knobs here. Some food requires shaking, like fries halfway through. To do so, give the basket a shake. Just take out the basket and the air fryer will automatically pause and stop cooking. Shake the ingredients and put them back in. Once the basket is back in place, the air fryer would turn itself back on and continue cooking. When the time is up, the air fryer will ding. Give the food a check, and if the ingredients are not ready yet, simply slide the drawer back into the air fryer and add a few extra minutes. The unique starfish design, double layer basket, and rapid air technology will ensure that food is cooked crispy and evenly from all sides. You can also change the time or temperature at any time during the cooking process by simply using the temperature or timer knobs. Now remember that the fat and oil from the ingredients is collected at the bottom of the pan. So, depending on the type of ingredients cooked, you may want to carefully pour it out from the pan after each batch or before shaking or replacing the basket in the pan. Doing this will also help reduce smoke. Do not be afraid of the smoke. There is nothing wrong with the air fryer. It just means a lot of fat is being removed from your food. When it comes to accessories, all oven-proof accessories and utensils can be used in the Philips air fryer. We recommend not using a thin butter paper though. With the hot air, it can sometimes burn. Preheating the Philips air fryer is optional. If you want to do it, you can preheat it for a few minutes at 180 degrees. Also, your air fryer isn't just for French fries. Unlock 100 more delicious recipes by downloading the free NutriU app. Go to your phone's app store and search NutriU or scan the QR code on your screen. The app provides personalized recipe suggestions, has a repository of over 500 plus recipes, and an engaged community that loves cooking with an air fryer. Once downloaded, select which model air fryer you have and let the app tailor itself to your personal preferences. You are really going to love this air fryer. Some of my favorite foods to cook are roasted chicken, samosa, and sweet potato fries. And now I get to cook them with lot less oil and fat, but still retain that golden crust. If you want your air fryer to be deep cleaned, scan this QR code to book an appointment with our service expert. We'll come to your home and deep clean your air fryer. What more can you ask for? Now please make sure to register your air fryer by scanning the QR code on the screen so you can receive an extended warranty, new recipes and special discounts. What will you make with your Philips air fryer? Show us on social media by tagging Philips Home Living India. We cannot wait to see what you're going to post. So get into the kitchen, cook with the season's fresh ingredients and welcome to the Philips family.
Innovation and you, Philips.